who they sent a clip to has to be known, and these are something which everybody expects. We don't know who the politician is, or there are speculations, but we cannot.
It can be
as a
somebody
media,
else.
we
But
cannot-
what I'm
we have our
limited point sir, ki his association with politicians on all sides is there, ne? So Karl Janna, when the Aam Aadmi Party is questioned, it is professional. So and if see, my association with BJP is well known. My association with Dr. Pramod Sawant is well known.
Yeah,
Tomorrow,
I totally
if I
agree.
indulge in
Totally
something,
agree, Giriraj.
are you going to hold Dr. Pramod Sawant responsible?
I
On a
agree.
lighter note, Girav, on a lighter note, the issue here is that Zenito association are with politicians from all sides. I completely agree, but the associations are with politicians who actually switch sides. The issue here is this: the point is the very fact that this label is put on him
again,
also because the politicians he's been associated with
again,
also switched sides.
the thing here is very clear.
Yeah.
Ki association, whether it is about switching sides, see, we are again, what I'm trying to say is knowingly or unknowingly attributing motives, which is a very bad thing. Especially in case of motives to the whatever has happened. See, again, I'm saying, like when he said it is because of freedom of expression, see, it could be something else. Let us. All I'm trying to say is let us wait. So what I'm trying to say is right now, what especially people on the opposition is doing is to get political mileage out of it.